Hi, I'm Brenda Dozier, the Crop Training Coordinator, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to submit a federal crop production report on the Crop Web. So once you logged into the Crop Web, you can go directly into a policy by selecting the line of insurance, the appropriate reinsurance year. The action is the APH report, and then type in the policy number that you want to submit the APH for and hit the Go button. To begin keying your APH report, select Edit, and now your production report is ready for you to key. But, however, it doesn't look like the form that I am keying from. Is this what your form looks like? And this screen doesn't look like that. Well, if you'll notice, there is a unit button, and whenever that your APH screen doesn't look like your piece of paper, then if you would click on the unit button, then it would open it up and look just like your printed production report. That is called the APH detail. So now that you've clicked on the unit button, you will see that this does look like your printed production report that you're keying from. You then can go ahead and key in the production for each acreage, and it will calculate the totals for you. So after I have keyed in the production for each of these acres, it totals them here on the bottom, and I then can hit the Submit button. And I would do then the same thing on the soybeans. I will key the production for each of these acres, and again, it totals them up, and I am then ready to hit Submit there. So now it has put in those totals into the APH report, and I have circled here a feature that is available on the APH report. If I need to change a farm number, we have the capability to do a mass change. And my example here, I'm changing farm number 5790 to 7700. And then I would click on this mass change button. And there you have it. It changed all the farm numbers to 7700. And you see that in red here. Another thing, I had submitted the production that I had from the year before, but the farmer told me he has a new piece he's farming. I can select the Add Line button from this screen, and it then opens up a blank new line, and I would fill in then the plan of insurance, the county, the crop, the person's sharing, if it's added land or not, then note the section, township, range, farm number, and any other applicable notes that you need to. I could then hit the Add Record or Add Record, Add Next Line if I had another line to add as well. This slide just is a reminder to be careful when you're selecting the crop. You'll notice there'll be lots of corns and lots of beans because of the different practices, non-irrigated and irrigated, or organic, or blue corn, et cetera, et cetera. So just keep an eye on selecting the correct crop practice and type when you're selecting these new lines. This shows how to add another person's sharing to the line I just created. It gives you the option to attach shareholders and then save and close, or in the event that it is a new shareholder that I've not had on the policy before, I would hit the Add New and fill in the new shareholder's name. Now you will see that I have the original 2 lines that I submitted the production for and my 2 new lines. They appear in red, a new corn line and a new bean line. If now I have all my APH ready, I would continue to summary. And with all federal crop, we must have it signed and dated by the insured and the agent. So if you'll type in the insured signature date and the agent signature date, and then hit Submit APH Report. You will then see that the APH report, the status is submitted, and it is date and time stamped. This concludes my demonstration of how to submit an APH report on the crop web. If you have any further questions, please call Crop Underwriting at toll-free 877-274-9800. Thank you.